In Chapter 6, you will be learning about polynomials and linear factors and how to graph the functions. For this first example, find the zeros of the function. To find the zeros, use the zero product property. When doing this, you should separate the two parts of the problem, set y equal to 0, and solve for x. Like this. The zeros of this function should be x equals 1 and x equals negative 2. Now to graph the function, all you need to know are the zeros. For this first example, plot 1 and negative 1 on the x-axis. If you've done it correctly, your graph should look like this. It should be a parabola with points crossing the x-axis at negative 2, 1. For this second example, you can find the zeros the same way as before. What you should do is separate these three terms, like so, and set y equal to 0. After doing this, solve for x, and you should get 0, negative 5, and 8. To graph this function, all you need to do is plot negative 5, 0, and 8 on the x-axis, and draw a line, a positive line that goes through each of these 3 points. If you've done it correctly, your graph should look like this. This third example is exactly the same. All you need to do is separate these 3 terms and set y equal to 0. Once you solve for x, you should get negative 1, 1, and 2 as your zeros. Finally, to graph this function, plot negative 1, 1, and 2 on the x-axis, and draw a positive line that goes through each of these points. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.